Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up screen lock on your Sony NW A100. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our settings. So simply follow my motion and then open this icon. From here, scroll down and find security and location. Now go down and find screen lock. Click on it, and that way you'll be able to choose which screen lock option you want to use. So here's a swipe. That means you don't have any lock on your phone. You simply swipe up to unlock. Next one is a pattern, and that way you'll need to draw a certain pattern in order to unlock your device. Next up, we have a PIN code. That way you'll need to enter a 4-digit PIN code to lock this device. And here's a password, which also works the same way, so you need at least 4 characters. So now let's move to the pattern. Let's set it up like this. Move to the next step. You'll need to confirm that same motion, then press confirm. And here you'll be able to choose to receive or not to receive notifications, so you can pick whichever of these options you want. After that, click done, and now let's lock our device. Try unlocking it, and as you can see, there's a pattern, so in order to unlock, we'll need to draw the same pattern. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.